Using just one website in this video, I'm going to show you 5 easy and free ways that you can use to make money online. And the most interesting thing about this website that we are going to be using today is that you don't even need the experience to get it started. You don't need to be a professional to get everything started. All you need is just an access to the internet, a working laptop, and a smartphone. Then you are good to go. And once you start making money from this website, you can actually cash out through PayPal, Bitcoin, or even gift card. Alright? And my most recent cash out from this website is $500. This is not the only money I've made from this website. I've made more than this. This is my most recent cash out. Okay? So you can see there is a potential of you earning money from this website. And all I need for you is to watch this video to the end. Okay? And no matter where you come from, being America, Asia, Europe, Oceania, no matter where you come from, you can still have an access to this website and start making money right away. And the website that we're going to be using today is called FuturePoint. Alright? Just go to Google and write futurepoint.com. It's going to take you to this place. And the very first thing that we need to do is to go ahead and create our account. Okay? And for you to do that, what you need to do is to put in your email address right here. Okay? And once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and hit on the sign up button. And then you're going to be on this page. What you need to do is to hit on this button that said continue. Alright? Then they're going to take you to another page again where you are going to create your password. And here you're going to create a password. And on the second line, you're going to confirm the password that you just created. Alright? You're going to put in your first name and your last name. Then after that, just go ahead and hit I'm not a robot and hit some sign up. Then you're going to receive a welcome message just like this. You just read it if you want to read it. And after that, go ahead and agree to the terms and continue. Okay? And if you want to receive a 50-point bonus, you can go ahead and put in your referral code. But if you don't have a referral code, just go ahead and hit on continue. Alright? On this page, they are going to ask you a question of your geography. Alright? The very first one is your country where you currently live in. Okay? And the postal code of your area. And after that, they're going to ask you of your date of birth. I just put in a random data right here for the sake of this video. Okay? Then at the end, you're going to select your gender, which is male. But if you're female, you're going to click here. Alright? And after that, you're going to hit on continue. Then on this page, they're going to ask you choose your first reward. It means what do you want to choose as a payout? You can either use Amazon, Apple, there are many here, Spotify, but I'm going to go ahead and use PayPal. Alright, when you hit on continue, you will see that the PayPal is right here. I just selected PayPal. If you select Amazon and any other gift card, you're going to have the same thing. Okay, and then the very first thing that you need to do is to go ahead and confirm your email. You will see the message on your inbox. Just hit on the confirmation link. Then you're going to have a message like this: your email was confirmed successfully. What you need to do is to go ahead and continue. Okay, then you're going to be on the home page just like this. Alright, the number one easy way to make money from this website is through survey. Okay, the survey here actually pays good. Okay, what you want to do is to hit on the button of the survey. Then you're going to see some of the survey. But if you want to qualify for more high survey that's going to pay you more than this, you're going to click on this button that said unlock high paying survey. Okay, then they're going to ask you some questions. But some of the questions they are going to be asking you here are confidential. I don't want to go ahead and doing it, but it's going to be based on yourself. Okay, so you just need to go ahead and answer the question accordingly. Then after that, you're going to have many surveys that are going to pay you high money. Alright, the other way that you can make money from this website is through the win. This is one of my favorite way of making money from this website. This actually doesn't depend on your hard work, it depends on your luck. Alright, for you to participate in this win game, what you need to do is to have the tokens. Okay, for each 20 points that you have, they are going to give you a token, and those tokens are used to participate in these games. Okay, if you have just one token, you can participate on this one by clicking this button. But since this is a new account, you can't actually do it. But if you have more than one token, you can contest for this one that is going to pay $100 at the end of the month. It's one of my favorite way of doing it. This actually doesn't depend on your hard work, because like I said in the video, it's easy money. You're not going to be stressing about the money. It's just an easy money website. Alright, and the other way to make money from this website is through the download apps. Alright, here what you are going to do is to install the app on your phone. Okay, and by doing that, you have the ability to be downloading some apps, and at the end they are going to be paying you some money. Okay, for you to do that, what you need to do is to hit on this button that says send a link to my email. And once you've done that, you're going to receive a link in your email. And once you go to your email, you're going to see the link that they just sent to you. If you are using iOS, you're going to hit on this button right here. But if you are using Android, you're going to hit on this button and download it on your Play Store. Okay, you're going to install the app on your phone, and you're going to have the ability to be testing out this website. Some of the websites is just for you to download it, while some of them just for you to install it on your phone. And by doing that, you're going to be getting some points and accumulating some points. All right. And the fourth way to make money from this website is through the share with friends. That means any person that uses your link to sign up to this website, you're going to be receiving 25% of their earning. but it's not going to affect their earning. But since you are just the affiliate, you are going to be having 25% of their total earning. Alright, it's one of my favorite way again to earn money from this website. Doing all of this, you're going to be at the point of cashing out just the way I cashed out $500 from this website. Alright, but if you want to know the way I did it, I actually used the video. There is a video here that they have already made. If you click on this button that says share video, this is the video that I actually use. They're going to send the link to your phone, to your email. Then you're going to download the video. Alright, and once you have it, you can now share the video on Twitter or even on your WhatsApp, because those are the two things that I actually use, the Twitter and the WhatsApp. And some of the money that I have made from this website are through my referrals. So it's an easy money. All they have to do is just to create an account using just my link, and whatever they are earning, I'm going to be getting 25% of it. Okay, so you can see it's an easy money. You don't have to overstress. But if you employ the strategies and the mentor you know how to do it, you're going to be earning more than me. Alright. Before we go further into the video, let me quickly introduce myself. If it's your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Wilson. On this channel, I teach how to stay at home and make money online. You can see that I've uploaded a lot of videos. And if you're that type of person that's interested to make money online, you can subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload a new video on how to stay at home and make money online and be your boss, you're definitely going to be the first person that's going to be notified by the YouTube. And you know what that means? If you are the first person to be notified, you're going to be the first person to watch the video and be the first person to make money with the video. Or better still, after watching this video, you can go ahead and watch any other video from my channel that is going to show you different ways of making money online. And the last and the least way to make money from this website, I actually say it's the least way because it's the least way. At times you're going to see offers, at times you're not going to see anything. It's what we call through the offers. You can see now I don't have any offer, but at times I do have different type of offer that are going to pay like 200 to 300 points. Okay, it's the least way, and that's the reason why I classify it to be the last in this video, because you can actually make a little money from it, and it's the least and the fifth way of making money from this website. But the jobs here are going to be based on your location, so when you click it, you might have something different from mine. Alright, and once you have made some money and you want to cash out, you can actually cash out with gift card. Okay, some of the gift cards that are going to be on your homepage are going to be different from mine. Okay, it's going to be custom according to the country that you live in. Alright, you can now use any of the gift card or you can use cash. Alright, and the highest amount that you can actually withdraw that I have done is $500. That is what I've gotten, and I have received the money in my PayPal account already. This is the demo account, but if you don't want to use PayPal, you can also use Bitcoin. If you have at least $10, I believe $10 is nothing, you can actually do that if you're willing to put in the time and employ some strategies. Alright, so if you watch this video to this point, I do appreciate your effort, and if you feel like that you've learned something from this video, I want you to go ahead and give me a thumbs up so that this video will be discovered by more people on YouTube. Alright, and if you are looking for other ways to make money online, just like I said earlier in the video, you can go ahead and watch this video right here, or you will click on this playlist that's going to show you different ways and strategies that you can use to make money online. Okay, so see you next time with another video again just like this on how to stay at home and make money online. Cheers, peace out.